stand 365 feet above the ground. Now the footings and foundations, amazingly, are only 4 feet deep. It makes it the second largest unsupported dome cathedral around the world. The first is St. Peter's in the Vatican City of Rome. He started building that in 1677 during the reign of Charles II to replace the old cathedral that burned down in the Great Fire. He completed the dome in 11 years. The cathedral was completed in 1710. Took him 35 years at a cost of £70,000. You can't get a studio for that in London these days for that amount of money. This red brick building is the new City of London School for Boys. It's still going, over 500 years old, a very private public school. This is the Millennium Footbridge, built by Sir Norman Foster in the year 2000, part of the Millennium celebrations, linking the north to the south. Now the white circular building here to the right is a working replica of Shakespeare's Playhouse, the open air glow theatre that once stood there on that site in 15. This one was built by Sam Wanamaker, the young aspiring actor, in 1996. Spent years of fundraising to recreate. What they do twice a day, they will fly the red flag on the pole and they will reenact and perform some of Shakespeare's plays. Even some of his most famous ones, such as Romeo and Juliet and all these other ones.